people, what's up? It's your boy Chinee of Team Untouchables, and on this coming Sunday, I'm gonna be $10,000 richer. Full respect to country, but I'm gonna win this. Man, I'm so confident, I just might throw in my house. See you guys on Sunday night, 7 p.m. right here on YouTube. Untouchable Sounds. The war is on. Internal warfare.
Untouchable! Untouchable! Untouchable!
Some boy just chat too much. I not in the long talking business. Who said country for the win? Why? See you guys on Sunday night. Internal warfare. It's on. Boom!